So today is day 27, I think, or 28 or 26. I can't remember the day. I think it's 27. Of coding every day. Today it's probably gonna be a shorter video. I'm gonna try to go to sleep. Um, I've been coding throughout the day, so I didn't really record much of me coding. So I'm just gonna kind of walk through and show my project that I did and how I finished it up. Um, So real quick, so basically what I did is I finished up my the Will You Be My Valentines um like page. Kind of got the style going, got the title, kind of organized a little bit better with like the head having the actual like metadata, I guess, and then the body would just be like the bulk, which is really just um the GIF, and then like a question, and then like the two buttons, and then also the script, and the script JavaScript is pretty simple. It's really just going to be changing the size of the yes button as the no button gets clicked. And then just one more page, which is going to be like once yes is clicked, where it's like, I knew you'd say yes, blah, blah, blah. I'll just go ahead and show that real quick as well. So this was the initial, just the index. And so it's like the GIF, little background, will be my Valentine. As you click no, yes gets bigger and bigger until eventually it takes to the screen. Perfect. And then like let's just say you did click yes, and then it would take you to this page. It's like, oh, I knew you'd say yes. Uh, and so that was basically really what I did today. And I was going to try to get it to work onto my web server that I was making with my localhost web server, the one in C++ that I've been working on. Um, but it actually helped me realize the flaws in my web server. So, trying to host this on my web server, the images and the GIFs weren't really loading, and I think it's due to the binary data not being sent correctly. Um, because my web server is very much meant for really, well, at least right now. Let's see. Let me just open it real fast. Let's see if you guys can see this. Um, can you guys see that? Yeah, cool. So for my web server, um, it's gonna be Deadpool. It's very much like only really meant for um just read this one HTML file and then like send that over with right here where it just goes to send, like string length. So it's really meant for text. So the binary data, it wasn't reading the binary correctly. From what I believe, it wasn't reading the binary correctly and wasn't sending that binary correctly. So um like images and like GIFs and stuff weren't uh, being properly handled, and as well as so like with that HTML, um, it also has a JavaScript file, and so like here when it goes to JavaScript, so when it tries to request that JavaScript, so like slash script.js, it's not returning the correct file. So I honestly, if I start working on is making this a little bit more dynamically, like file handling instead of just this like very basic, just static, just is it root this else copy or else echo that over. Um, so that's probably my plan for tomorrow. And then, but yeah, that was really mostly what I worked on today. It's gonna be a short video. I'm trying to go to sleep, and I didn't really record much of what I was doing. But that was really it for today.